Yo, Wagwan Mayuts. Welcome back to the channel, OJT Barage. Well, we could say OJT outside because it's nice today. It's like 80 something or something like that. I don't know. But more or less, right? Got another car review for y'all. Posted this on the channel a while ago. Not even on the channel, on Instagram for you Instagram followers out there. Shout out to you. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. But got an EG hatch. It's my boys right there. But he don't want to talk, so I'm going to do the talking. I pretty much know a lot about this car, so we're going to dive right into it, all right? Let's go. All right, let me pop this hood. Well, like any other Honda, pull the string. We got an H23A JDM spec motor. Build head, has cams, valve springs. Then it has the Skunk 2 Pro 2 valve springs, Skunk 2 Pro 2 cams, coil packs. Dude, you can keep going. Traction bars, all of that. Full custom headers. Thing is a track monster. Well, even though it hasn't been on the track, we all still say it's a track monster. Dude just blew up his freaking carbon fiber lip in the front there. Good job. But yeah, definitely it's an all motor. Well, not all motor besides a spray there. But this definitely is a nice build. One thing I always love about these H-Wings, they very slept on. Like, people play with H's, but they got a bad rep because people just don't know how to build them properly. Them things make serious power. I don't know if you guys remember these seats. Came out the Black Accord. My man's got the K-tune shifter with the NOS button right here. Coil pack. Running on Honda. No joke. And I'll tell you, this guy, look. This car, I love it. I get the right key? Oh, wrong key. Let's start this thing up for you. Yes, sir.
Sound like an barking up a storm over here.
What you think?
I like it.
She was definitely moving on the highway. We gotta get some pulls in. I think we're gonna get just probably like right here. We ain't gonna actually show where we at. We supposed to be in Mexico, but
We are in Mexico. Look at the graffiti. English? What?
Well, mister, you want to do some driving for us? You know how to drive the car the best.
You can do it.
All right.
Alright.
Here,
I guess I'm
hold this.
How y'all doing? I'm recording now. Hey.
I said,
Okay.
like, call Maya. She know.
You get to scare somebody today. Come, child, come.
Where am I coming to?
You are getting in the death trap.
In it?
Yeah, you're getting in the death trap.
Okay.
Yeah, just turn the car off, you know. I'll take the keys. Muchos gracias.
Okay. Getting in the death trap.
Yes. It's going to be a fun day.
I'm getting in here?
Off to the races, guys.
I'm gonna go around. You left the car running?
No.
Oh, you think
Yeah. Now that's a Honda. Yeah. He's coming back? Ooh, he's coming back again. Here we go, everybody. He's come back down. Okay, yep, come right back down. Now that's a Honda. That's what I like to see out of my Hondas. Not really a Honda guy, but that's a Honda. That right there, right here, coming down the street, that's a Honda.
Yep. Yo, can y'all see this? This joint is a freaking beast, yo. It's not even zooming. Hey, bro. So, you know you gotta send it away nicely. You gotta end my video, right? Okay. Okay? Okay. Yeah.
What's up, people? I'm back in the garage, Barage, today. Gonna try and maybe see if I can get this started. this has the G35 behind me. So I'm gonna tell you a little story first. Not really a story, it's update. Yeah, more of an update. Forget the story part. No story. All right, so I got the motor in. I just seen on some videos a while back. And then I had some issues with the key. So the key wasn't programmed to the ECU, right? So I contacted John from Genco. I'm gonna put his link in the bottom, and then I'm gonna show you a little picture right now. All right, so John from Genco came and helped me out. He explained to me that, well, at first we didn't have the any power to the ECU, right? So I was like, oh man. So I thought everything was all hooked up, everything was ready to go, and no power to the ECU, right? So me and John sat there and we looked it out, which is pretty cool because you don't expect a guy who's coming here to just program your key, you know, to actually help you out and, you know, and try to figure out what's going on with your car. I was like, man, that's pretty cool, right? So we figured out that it might be a missing fuse or something like that. But so we wasn't sure. So what I did was I went to eBay, right? Once I did figure out which one that might be missing, and ordered a whole little fuse box with all the fuses that I needed for underneath the engine bay there, right? Throw that down. So then, once I did get some power to the ECU, right, I called John back. You might be asking, well, how do I know that I have power to the ECU or didn't have power to the ECU? Right? I didn't use a code reader or anything like that. ECU, you know, when you get those error codes, right? Excuse me, I dropped something. Ugh. Right? So what John told me was that I'll know if I have power to the ECU if the check engine light comes on. Because before the check engine light wasn't coming on, but the dash was lighting up, but he said I still wasn't getting any power to the ECU. So once I did get that check engine light, I called John back, and he was like, yeah. He's like, yeah, now we're good to go. Right? So he programmed the key. He actually gave me 2 keys. Right? And then he, you know, had to go to another job. We talked for a while. Had to go to another job, and then I came back and tried to see if the car could start. So the car wasn't starting, and I was like, man, what's wrong now? You know? So I talked it over with Jevon. Jevon was like, hey, did you check the ground wires? So I was like, I thought we had everything hooked up, but nope. And the reason why I missed the ground wires was because the person who sold me the grounding kit cut the ground wires. Right? So, because I thought I had every wire that was there that was hooked up. I guess I didn't. So now what I did was I bought this grounding kit from Stilling, right? Which I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna show you the mountain plate. I'm not gonna show you how to put it in because I think it's like kind of basic. It's just taking out screws, putting in screws, putting the wires where they need to go. But once I get it done, I'll walk you through it and show you what I did. All right, but for now. So that's what I'm doing, and what I hold up here is the ground wiring kit. Pretty much all the wires right here. You might say, hey, why did you order those in red? I didn't. I ordered them in silver. And I'm a little bit sad about that because now I got grounding wires that are red. Grounding wires are not supposed to be red. You know, maybe somebody wanted from decoration or whatever, because they wanted red, they got a red engine bay. I don't know. Me, red means power. So now I got red grounding wires. Right? They're like Twizzlers. I don't know. Why would I don't know. I'm not knocking you if you want a red. I don't know. I don't want red. I'm upset. But I don't have time to go and order another set and set these back. Right? Because I really want to get this going. So I'm like, whatever. It's a drift car anyway. Like, you know what? Whatever. I'll get it done. It's here. I'm gonna use it because the other ones from another company. I'm not mentioning any company's names right now because I don't want to badmouth anybody because mistakes happen, right? But the other one from another company was like on back order, and I wouldn't get them till like September, and I was like, no, right? So I'm just gonna work with what I got, put these Twizzlers in there, and see what we got, right? So I don't know if we're gonna get started. I don't know. With this car now, it feels like sometimes like it hates me. So I'm just gonna try and see what I can do, and we're gonna put it in there, and then I'll walk you through it afterwards, and maybe we can get started. I don't know. I ain't got no promises. I don't know. All right. Alright, so I got the wire harness in mostly. But here's the thing too that I didn't know when I was putting in the wire harness. They sent me the wrong one. According to the paperwork, it says it's for the G37s and I guess for HR motors pretty much. So I just used what I could put together. So I can't even say here this is what you guys should do for your car with this harness kit. But I made it work and it's working good enough for me. So but I'm gonna have to order probably another one after the cars are up and running. So what I did, I'm gonna show you real quick. Hold on. So it comes with like was it 1, 2, 3 wires, right? This first one had like 3 points. So 3 points, 1, 2, no, that's 4 points. So from the battery to over here behind the sensor, wrapped it back around to the bolt right there, and then to another bolt right over here. Right? Then the other one I had come from the bolt way over here next to the body, on the body, because you got to make sure that you got your ground on the body. And then again right to over here, and it seemed to like it, so it cranked over, which I'm gonna show you guys. But I'm not getting any, which I don't think I'm getting any spark, but I'm just happy that it's turning over now. Before it wasn't even turning over, so now it's turning over. So I'll show you guys real quick, see if it starts up. But it's not. But mission accomplished of getting it to turn over. That's what I was really hoping for, was that now I can get it turned before it wasn't turning over at all. So the ground kit did help with that, since the harness didn't have any grounding points on it. And then this car's so old, I don't know if it was old or just wasn't really taken care of, but broke a bolt. I was trying to use that point, but I don't know if you guys saw it, that point. But it is what it is. It keeps breaking off. I'm just gonna have to do what I do when other bolts broke off. So, but you'll see what we getting in. So we're gonna get in here. Hope you guys can see, because there's just like no light in this car. We get in here. Oh. See, nothing. And I smell fuel, so I'm gonna have to check the. It might be the those coil packs, because that was like, I didn't change those out or anything like that. So I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm pretty sure. I can't be sure of anything with this car too. I don't think I could ever use the word sure with this car. So, but oh, so let me get out of here before I kill my battery. Take the keys out. I like to leave them right up there, because it's gonna lift anyway. So, man, give me 1 second, I'll be right back, because it's hard to get out of here with just being on the lift. Get out of here. Alright, so I'm done for now. Other baby right over there. See her? Looking pretty. But she started today. All for those who said their rotors are unreliable. She started. So I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Gonna go hang out with the kids, maybe go play some Call of Duty, because I had nothing else to do right now, because I'm out of time. And see what's going on over there. So, gate!